Just came from the fleet. Got me a Casio. This shit low-key kinda fresh. This is my first watch. It's a new era.
Hey,
Little baby like
strawberry lemonade. She wanna do me, then I gotta know you're retrograde. What's your sign, Shelly? I know that we can vibe. Deep inside, I already know that you my type. Little baby be sporting in the Benz, yeah. I'm going crazy trying to meet up with your friends, yeah. Cause I know lately that I've been in your DMs, yeah. Kinda crazy how it come up on my ends, yeah. Ain't it funny? How that shit go? No, I don't go running. I just tiptoe. She my little bunny. How she get low, getting all this money, all my flip, yeah. Spit raps like RZA while I'm fucking on scissor. I got so much gas, yeah, my whip gon' fill up. Know that whip on F, but ain't no easy in it. That shit out of budget, but we still gon' kill it. Spinning out the rental, icing out my dental. Nothing accidental, you only seeing the surface. Shit I'm on, really bringing me purpose. Never felt so nervous, now I feel the curtains open up. Put me in, coach, I be in the cut. Tryna avenge foes, but they don't want none of this risk, though. Man, I'm gone, but I'm still in this bitch, though. Ain't it funny how this shit going? No, I don't go running, I just tiptoe. She my little bunny, how she get low, getting all this money on my flip phone, yeah. Little baby be all in the phone, really stuck, won't let go like the grip of a throat. Cause she know I'm the go. Slick in the slope, never slip with the soap. I be sticking to goals, ripping holes in my soul. Now they gon' know what it costs to be gold. Feeling the pressure but never gon' fold. Now they gon' know what it costs to be gold. I've been feeling the shine, but you know how easily that shit get taken away. I've been out here trying to pay me away, but it seem like they just rather hate. But it seem like they just rather stay in the same place as they did yesterday. Rather move on, I go empty my brain. Smoke me a blunt, I'm good for the grain, I'm good for the play, I'm good for the game. Oh, ain't it fun?